Clear Creek. It's Mama Shark here from MommaShark The Hook Up again, just checking in with y'all. I got an email from one of you. I'm going to keep all of your questions anonymous on my little updates. One student asked me, what is the best type of bait or lure to use when fishing for different species? The answer for beginners, of course, is always really anything. As long as you put your bait or lure in front of a fish, they'll probably bite if it has the right action and they're hungry. Fish are opportunistic feeders and they will bite on actually anything. For example, when I was your age in high school, friends of mine used to go out to the man-made pond. They stocked it with all different kinds of fish, but we could catch fish on green beans. One of my friends actually caught a piranha. I think it was somebody's pet piranha they released into the lake on a Cheeto. So honestly, if you put anything in the water, the fish are going to bite if they're hungry. Point in case, watch this video of somebody catching fish on a Lego. What? Now I know you didn't see that coming. So there you have it. Somebody caught a fish on a Lego. I'm going to try and go fishing here in a little bit. I'm going to try and catch fish on a plastic straw. Now, I don't typically ever suggest that anybody use plastic garbage when fishing because we don't want to pollute. However, if you think about it, a lot of soft baits are made from different types of plastics. So as long as you make sure that you don't lose your bait and you're not actually littering with what you're using, I highly recommend trying different things out and creating your own baits. Watch this short clip to show you a tutorial of me making a shrimp out of a plastic straw, and if you're interested, I will send you the full demonstration clip through email. And again, if any of you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. You can get me at mommasharkblogs@gmail.com. So thanks for checking in with me, and I'll see you on the next video.